Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create motion animation on CapCut without keyframe button. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have prepared my project on my CapCut application. And first thing first, we need to add the image we want to animate on CapCut. We can click on overlay and add overlay. And I'm just going to add this Instagram logo to my CapCut project. For instance, I'm going to animate this Instagram logo. Click on add and you can make this image align with your background like this. You can just drag it and we're going to go back and choose the effect right here and go to the video effect and we're going to search for the pendulum effect. Okay, just search for it and there are a lot of options we can use, guys. I'm going to select this one, play pendulum, and we can go back and you can drag this effect to make it align with your image, and then we can go to the object and select the overlay. Okay, and just click on this check mark and this is the final result. And that's so easy, right? We don't need to use this keyframe button to animate our image or add the motion animation to our image. Alright guys, and that's how we can create motion animation on CapCut without keyframe. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.